Line construction 3. Next, let's construct a line parallel to a given line through a specific point. Suppose AB is the given line, and P is the point through which the parallel is to be drawn. First, with P as the center and any convenient radius, draw an arc, CD, that cuts AB at point E. After that, with E as the center and the same radius, draw another arc cutting AB at point F. Then, with E as the center and radius equal to FP, draw an arc cutting CD at point Q. Finally, draw a straight line through P and Q. Thus, this line is parallel to AB. This method provides an easy and precise way to draw a parallel line through any point. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.